Want to know how to create an agent or an AI bot that debugs code for you? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your AgentGPT website. So you can just simply head towards reworked.ai.agentgpt and you should be right here. And now once you're there, on the leftmost side, you should be seeing templates right here. It should be right below pages, just like that. And now once you've selected templates, you should be seeing various options. Now since we are creating our debugger AI, you can just simply scroll down and find code GPT or anything just like that. If you don't find it, you can just simply search for it as well, or you can just simply type it manually. So you can just simply type in decoder just like this right here and then select play and you're good to go. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of the similar videos. See you in the next one.